Let's solve this question together. It says m cubed plus 3m is equal to 36. We're going to solve for m in this question. Okay. And the first thing we can do here is to say that we can factor out m. If you factor out m from here, you have m into m squared plus 3 equals 36. Okay. Now the product of m times m squared plus 3 is 36. So it means that you write out the multiples of 36. So the multiple of 36 is equal to, so we have 2 times 18, we have 3 times 12, and we have 6 times 6. Okay, let's just go with this for now. Now, when m is 2, okay, because this should be lower than this. So if m is 2, this becomes 2 squared, which is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7, and 7 is not equal to 18. When m is 3, we have 3 squared 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. Hence, this is what we are looking for. So we can conclude from here that m is equal to 3. Okay? But then, moving on from here, you can say the highest power of m in the equation is m raised to power 3 plus 3m raised to power 1. So the highest power of m here is 3. So we can say that the number of answers for m is actually going to be equal to the highest power of m, which is 3. So using this information now, we can go ahead and re-express this equation as m cubed plus 3m minus 36 equals 0. Okay. Now, m is equal to 3, meaning that m minus 3 is also equal to 0. We can now go ahead and divide m cubed plus 3m minus 36 by m minus 3. Okay. Now, doing that, we have m cubed plus 3m minus 36 divided by m minus 3. M into m cubed is m squared. When you divide, you have m cubed. Okay, we have minus 3m squared. When we subtract, we have 3m squared plus 3m. We divide again, we have plus 3m. We have 3m squared minus 9m. Subtracting, we have 12m minus 36. 12m into m is 12. When we multiply this, we have 12m minus 36, and this gives us 0. Hence, our quotient is m squared plus 3m plus 12. Okay? We have m squared plus 3m plus 12 multiplied by m minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay? Now, when the product of things is equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either that m minus 3 is equal to 0, implying that m is equal to 3, which we've said initially. Now, the second one is that m squared plus 3m plus 12 is equal to 0. From here, you can use the quadratic formula to solve this. So we have that m is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, where a is the coefficient of m squared, b is the coefficient of m, and c is the constant term, which is 12. So we have that our m here will be equal to minus 3 is minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 squared is 9 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 12 is 48. Okay, all over 2 times 1, which is 2. This is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root of 48 minus 9 is negative 39 all over 2. This becomes equal to minus 3 plus or minus root of negative 39 is the same thing as root of 39i all over 2. And this is equal to m. Okay, so it's either that our m is equal to 3 or m is equal to minus 3 plus root 39i over 2, or minus 3 minus root 39i over 2. And these are the answers to this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.